Hello students, I am your maths teacher. Let's start with new chapter.
Chapter number 7, division. Okay. Now students, as we know, in our daily life many a times we have to divide the things equally among ourselves. So we can say to share things, we divide them equally into groups, or when we share equally, we divide. So let's understand the topic with this video.
Equal sharing. In this module, you will learn the concept of division by distributing things equally.
I have made these 8 cakes for the birthday party of Sid. For the decoration, I'm going to put 40 gems on these 8 cakes equally. Well, it's difficult to guess how many equal number of gems needs to be put on each cake. To solve this confusion, I think I will put up the gems one by one on each cake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. No gems are left. Therefore, there are 5 gems on each cake. Hence, I can say that 40 divided by 5 is equal to 8.
Let's see another example of equal sharing. We can equally share 24 stickers among 3 children, Neil, Sid, and Alicia. We give 1 sticker to Neil, then 1 to Sid, and 1 to Alicia. We have shared 3 stickers out of 24 stickers. Similarly, we share the stickers one by one. After sharing, we see that each child has 8 stickers. Let's recap. We have seen that Zubin, Sid's father, put up the gems one by one on each cake to find out the number of gems required for each cake. After the sharing, we have seen that no gems are left. This is called equal sharing. Grouping. In this module, you will learn the concept of division by grouping things equally. Neil's mother bought 30 cupcakes from a bakery shop. Neil, I'm going out for some important work. I want you to put these cupcakes in boxes. Make sure you put 6 cupcakes in each box.
Okay, Mother, I will do it.
Thank you, Neil. Now, Neil has to keep 30 cupcakes in some boxes. His mother told him to keep 6 cupcakes in each box. He doesn't know how many boxes he requires, so he needs to arrange the cupcakes in groups with 6 cupcakes in each group.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. First group, second group, third group, fourth group, and fifth group. I arranged all the 30 cupcakes in 5 groups. Therefore, I need 5 boxes to keep all the
recap. Here, Neil knew the number of cupcakes in each group. So, he made 5 equal groups of 6 cupcakes. Thus, he found the number of boxes he requires to pack the 30 cupcakes equally. Hence, he get the division sentence 30 divided by 6 is equal to 5.
Our next topic is repeated subtraction.
In this module, you will learn to use grouping with repeating subtraction to distribute things equally.
Mom, I have to distribute these 48 candies. I have to give 8 candies to each of my friends. To distribute equally, I can count the candies one by one till there is none left for me to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, I'm forgetting the counting.
Why don't you make groups?
Groups?
Let me show you. You have 48 candies and you have to give 8 candies to each friend. So, we need to find out among how many friends you can equally distribute 48 candies. First, we make a group of 8 candies out of 48 candies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 40 candies are left. Then we make another group of 8 candies. Now 32 candies are left. If mother makes another group of 8 candies, then how many candies are left out of 32 candies? 8 candies in the third group. Only 24 candies are left. Similarly, 8 candies in the fourth group, and now 16 candies are left. Can you say how many more groups need to make with 8 candies in each group? 8 candies in the fifth group, and only 8 candies are left. 8 candies in the sixth group, now no candies are left. What can you conclude with this? Did you get to know among how many friends she can equally distribute 48 candies? Here, we get 6 groups by grouping 48 candies into 8s. So, if each friend gets 8 candies, then Sophie needs 6 friends to distribute all the candies. According to this, we can conclude that after subtracting 8 repeatedly 6 times from 48, we get 6 groups of 8. Let's recap. Here, we have seen that mother used grouping and repeated subtraction to find the number of friends that Alicia needs to equally distribute the candies.
Now, what is repeated subtraction? Let us look at division as repeated subtraction. For example, 24 divided by 6. So now we will subtract 6 from 24. If we subtract 6 from one time, we will get 18. 24 minus 6 is equal to 18. Now again we will subtract 6 from 18, then we will get 12. Okay, this is second time. Now third time, if we will subtract 6 from 12, we will get 6. Now fourth time we will subtract 6 from 6, we will get 0. Okay, so actually we have to subtract 6 4 times to get 0. That means we will subtract 6 till we will get 0 left. Okay, which means 24 divided by 6 is equal to 4. Now in this division, that means 24 divided by 6 is equal to 4. Okay, now the number by which we divide a number is called divisor and the number which is to be divided, जो नंबर डिवाइड किया जाना है उस नंबर को क्या कहते हैं? डिविडेंड. ओके, दिस नंबर इज कॉल्ड डिविडेंड एंड द नंबर बाय विच वी डिवाइड अ नंबर इज कॉल्ड डिवाइजर एंड द रिजल्ट आफ्टर डिवीजन, जो डिवाइड करने के बाद जो आंसर आता है, रिजल्ट आता है, वी हैव दिस इज कॉल्ड quotient. Now in this question 24 divided by 6, so 6 4s are 24. If we subtract 24 minus 24 we will get 0. If the remainder is 0 then dividend is equal to divisor into quotient. That means अगर हम divisor और quotient को अगर multiply करते हैं तो we will get the dividend, that means 24. Now let's see one more example. If we divide 397 by 3, that means 3 is divisor and 397 is dividend. Okay, now we will divide. Now first we will take for one digit. Okay, the dividend should be equal than divisor or smaller than divisor. Okay, जब हम 3 का टेबल बोलेंगे तो या तो वो 3 के इक्वल होना चाहिए या 3 से स्मॉलर होना चाहिए. Now 3 ones are 3. 3 is equal to this 3. So 3 ones are 3. Now we will subtract 3 from 3. Now we will get 0. Okay, now copy down the number 9. Second tens now place is 9. Now we will copy down 9. Now we will say the table of 3. कब तक हम टेबल बोलेंगे? Equal to 9 or smaller than 9. So 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12, which is greater than 9. So we will take third step. 3 3s are 9. Now we will subtract 9 from 9. 9 minus 9, 0. Now copy down the number. Next number is 7. Okay, now 7 we will say the table of 3. 3 2s are 6 because 3 3s are 9. 9 is greater than 7. So 3 2s are 6. Now subtract 6 from 7. We will get 1. Now there is no another number. Okay, अब हमारे पास कोई नंबर नहीं है तो the answer is called quotient and 1 is remainder. The लेफ्ट ओवर नंबर आफ्टर डिवीज़न, जो नंबर आखिरी में बच जाता है डिवाइड करने के बाद, क्योंकि अब हमारे पास कोई नंबर नहीं है कॉपी डाउन करने के लिए, तो लास्ट में जो नंबर अगर बच जाता है तो उसको क्या कहेंगे? दैट इज कॉल्ड रिमाइंडर. 397 इज डिविडेंड, 3 इज डिवाइजर, 132 दिस इज द आंसर. दिस इज कॉल्ड quotient and the leftover number after division is called remainder.